Hello everybody, Tracie here. How's it? How you doing? Nice to see you again. In this episode, I'm going to give you 2 tips for practicing Hawaiian pronunciation. PUANA. E ho'opili mai. PUANA. PUANA. Mai kai. The first tip for Hawaiian pronunciation is, I tell my students this all the time, my haumana, is when they're driving up and down the streets here and you live in Hawaii, what you see is street names and street signs and places that have Hawaiian words. Practice your puana. Practice your pronunciation. So you see the sign, it says like like. Practice it. In a previous video I did with Tita, my daughter, we practiced the pronunciation. If you haven't watched those, go back and watch that. Like I said before, Hawaiian is a vowel-driven language, meaning that it's driven by vowels. Every word has a vowel in it. In learning, in pronunciation, some people pick up quicker than others. Some people have a hard time saying Hawaiian words. I tell them, look at the word and practice it by the syllable. So for instance, the word that I just told you was like like. So practice it. How do you break it down by syllables? Well, you practice it slowly. You slow it down. Li, ke, li, ke. Li, ke, li, ke. Li, ke, li, ke. Ka, la, kaua. E ho'opili mai. Ka, la, kaua. Slow it down. Practice it in syllables, and it'll help you with your pronunciation. Anything that you want to get better at, practice. Good practice. No practice them wrong, practice them right. Okay? Friday night, I was able to go to the 99th annual Kamehameha School Song Contest. This is what I do. And this is your second tip. So your tip number 2 is listen to the singing or listen to the words, and you're practicing your hearing, your ho'olohe'ana, and then also look at the words in nana ina hua'olelo. So look at the words while they're singing it. So for example, it says ulala e ho. Okay. So ulala e ho is repeated throughout the whole song. Okay, so I see here that it means tra-la-la. Okay. And in this line it says kahome a o pele. Ulala e ho. Okay, so I know that ulala e ho means tra-la-la, and I see ka probably means the, and home, well, it looks just like home, so I'm saying that home means home. A-o, well, that looks like of, and pele, Pele is the goddess Tutu Pele that lives on Hawaii Island. Okay, so kahome a o Pele, the home of Pele. Ulala e ho, tra-la-la. Okay, so that's your second tip. Get the song, get the lyrics to the song, get the translation, and look at them side by side. Listen to it, so you're practicing your ho'olohe'ana. Look at it while it's being sung. You're practicing your nana maka ka ike maka. And then you're also practicing it all together. One of the things about being at the song contest is you just get the whole experience, you know. So it's probably like Merry Monarch. I haven't been to Merry Monarch, but you get that experience. It's just like going to a football game, yeah? You go to a football game, you get the experience of being there. You get the sights, you get the sounds, you get the energy, you get the mana, you get the excitement, you get everything that's going on in the air. And it's a good experience if you get to go. All right. Last thing I want to tell you is the website teacherspayteachers.com. I'll put the link up for you. Every week I post a lesson for you. This week I don't have a lesson on PUANA, on the pronunciation, but you can go back to the previous video and you can look at that. That is not just lessons for teachers. That's lessons also for you folks that are more eleu. You want more help. You want to get more from these video that I put out there, and you just want more. There's some of you that really want more. There's some of you that really want to learn Hawaiian. So a good example is last night I saw one of my friends that I used to work with, and I said, oh, aloha. I said, oh, aloha, how are you? And we made small talk. And then she introduced me to her kane, her husband. And I said, oh, aloha, you know, I'm Tracie. And he said, oh, hi, I watch your videos. And I was like, oh, okay. He said, I watch your videos because I want to learn Hawaiian. And I was like, okay. It really makes me happy. You know, if you see me out there and you see me out on the street and you watch my video, just come up to me and tell me, you know, I watch your video, or this is what I want to learn, or this is what I like, or, you know, this is what I would like to see more of. I really enjoy that. I really appreciate that, because these videos take me a little bit of time and effort, and so just seeing that you watch them and that you appreciate them really, really makes me feel moikai. So anyways, I hope you have a great week, and see you in 2 weeks. The first Sunday, the first Lapule of Apelila of April. Okay? So you have a good one, and nice to see you. Mahalo, take care, and aloha. Ahui ho.